With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question we have given that there is a urn A which is containing 9 red balls and 11 white balls. Okay, and there is a urn B which is containing 12 red balls and 3 white balls. Okay, student. And a person rolls a single fair die. Okay, and if the result is coming as 1 or 2, then he randomly select a ball from the urn A. Okay, otherwise he randomly select a ball from urn B, and we need to find the probability of obtaining a red ball, and this is 4 option given to us. Okay, student. So for that, let me first two boxes. Okay, wait a minute. This is my two box. Oh, sorry. Let me draw one more box. Okay. This is my two boxes. Okay, son. One representing urn A and second representing urn B. Okay, son. Now see, we have given that there are 9 red balls and 11 white balls. Okay, in the urn A. Okay, son. And we have given 12 red balls and what, and 3 white balls in the urn B. Okay, student. And we have given that a die is those ones. Okay, let me construct a die. Wait a minute. Okay, let me say this is my die. Okay, student. And we have given a condition. Wait a minute. See, we have given two conditions. Okay, what are these conditions? Wait a minute. Let me write. Okay, see, whenever we are having 1 or 2 on this die, so we will select this urn A, and if we have other value, okay, so that values will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. There's 6 values on a die. Okay, then we select urn B. Okay, we need to find the probability of getting a red ball. Okay, so there will be two cases. Okay, let me say that required probability of selecting a red ball. Okay, what red ball will be equal to what, will be equal to that there are two cases. Let me take that we got 1 or 2. Okay, dude, that we got 1 and 2, and we got red ball from the urn A. Okay, what, let me write as, and wait a minute, probability that we got red from the urn A. Okay, from A. Okay, son, red ball from A. Okay, plus my second case will be that I got this 3, 4, 5 and 6, 3, 4, 5 or 6 on the die, and I got red ball from the urn B. Okay, P or R from my B urn. Okay, son, so this will be my required probability. Okay, now let me solve this. Okay, so what is the probability of getting 1 or 2 on a dice? Okay, so my total favorable value will be 2, 1 and 2 divided by total number of values, which are 6. There are 6 number on a die, into what is the probability of getting a red ball from the urn A. See, there are total 9 red balls. Okay, so there will be 9 divided by what are the total number of balls in the urn A? 9 plus 11. Let me write here 9 plus 11. Okay, there are total number of balls in a urn A, plus again the probability of selecting 3, 4, 5 and 6, getting a probability that we get 3, 4 and 5, 6 on the dice, what, 4 by 6. Okay, total favorable values are 4 and total number of values are 6. Okay, into now what is the probability of getting red ball in the urn B? So that total number of red balls are 12 here, and what are the total number of balls? 12 plus 3. Let me write here 12 plus 3. Okay, so what will be my probability? See, this is giving me 2 by 6. See, 2 by 6 I can write as 1 by 3 now. 1 by 3 into 9 by 9 plus 11 will give me 20. Plus this I can write as 2 by 3. Okay, this 4 by 6 I can write as 2 by 3 into this 12 by, this is giving me 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, now let me more simplify this. I can cut this 3 and this 12 on 4. Okay, I can cut this 3 on 3. So this is what, this is 3 by 20 plus this 8 by 15. Okay, now let me calculate this. So this will be equal to, let me take my LCM as what, I have to take 60. Okay, 60. So 3 into 3 will give me 9. 9 plus 15 60 divided by 15 will give me 4. 4 into 8 will give me 32. And 32 plus 9 will give me 41. So my required probability is 41 divided by 60. Now let me check my options. So which option is correct? Option 1 is correct. Okay, so the probability that I will be getting a red ball is what? 41 by 60. So hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.